tracking your active batches in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you everything in production at a glance, how to filter by stage, how to open a batch's full record, and how a batch running long stands out. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Batches, from your dashboard. This is your list of everything currently in production, from freshly brewed through conditioning and ready to package. Each row shows the batch number, recipe, current stage, vessel, and how long it's been there. Use the status filter to narrow the list, brewing, fermenting, conditioning, or ready to package, so you can focus on what needs attention right now. Click a batch, and I'll open its full record, the recipe it was brewed from, logged readings like gravity and temperature, any additions made along the way, and notes from the crew. As a batch moves through its process, update its stage right from this screen so everyone on the floor sees current status. If one runs long compared to its recipe's target, it stands out here. Your cue to check in before it becomes a scheduling problem downstream.